Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. Today is January 16 and we are looking at the chart of XOM. This is Exxon Mobil, 30 minutes time frame, which is similar to the 1 hour shorter cycle here. So let's see, we just recently broke to new all-time high, so obviously it is bullish, right? And currently we are calling this within this wave 3, right, in the blue degree here. So within wave 3 we got only 3 waves up. Now you notice here that we reacted from the blue box last time, earlier this month, and we told our members to buy it from here. We got this very nice 3 waves pullback in the form of a zigzag here, EPC, and then found support from what we call the high frequency area or the extreme area. And in a bullish market, you will always correct in the form of a 3 swing or in 7 swing, and then the support zone usually is around the 100%, 161.8% extension zone, in either 3 swing or in 7 swing. Now in this case it was in 3 swing. Now you can see the acceleration from there, and then the rally so far, it looks to me it is only in the 3 waves structure so far. So which means that if we are making new high, we shouldn't be ending in 3 waves, because again, trend always in a 5 waves, correction is in a 3 waves or in 7 swing. So that suggests that we should be looking for at least one more leg up in the shorter cycle to finish a 5 waves from here. Then once we complete that, we can get a bigger wave or pullback, which is not bearish in any way, but we can get slightly larger degree pullback before it extends higher again. Now if I zoom out, focusing on the blue degree here, now we can see here is the blue 1 2 here, which is the same as the 1 hour 1 2 here. Okay, and so we are now within wave 3. So this rally starting from it start from this November last year. So think about it as the starting point of that 1 2, right? Something like this. And so that means if we project the extension, we are already entering the 100% extension. So technically, yes, wave 3 could have ended because we have hit the 100%. But if you take a look at the smaller subdivision, now you notice we only have a 3 waves so far. So it looks like we should be looking for at least one more leg up. Now just to confirm one more time, you can see on the RSI or momentum that this peak here is higher. I mean, is the highest peak, at least from this level here, right, from here. So that means we don't have a divergence yet. So that means most likely we will see another leg up here to complete the 5 waves from this low before we get a pullback. Okay, and again, now in terms of potential target here, shorter cycle at least, we should be looking for at least 1.236 typically for wave 5 external retracement. So we should be looking for around 132.50 at least before we get a pullback and then higher again. So we don't like selling obviously as it makes new high. We continue to be bullish, and we do like the long side in the sequence of 3 swing or in 7 swing. Okay, so that's the update for today, and as always, if you want to get more updates on XOM or any other stock, ETF, indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. New members can get 14 days trial for 99 cents. You can use the link in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.